A retail website running on Nitro-based Linux EC2 instances encountered HTTP timeouts. A CloudOps engineer needs to troubleshoot by retrieving low-level ENA driver metrics, specifically contract allowance available and contract allowance exceeded. Which method allows for the collection of these metrics with the highest level of operational efficiency? The options are: Option A. Deploy the Amazon CloudWatch agent on the instances to capture and monitor the specific contract allowance metrics. Option B. Configure the CollectD daemon alongside the Amazon CloudWatch agent on the instances to track the connection metrics. Option C. Activate VPC flow logs to analyze the contract allowance available and contract allowance exceeded data points. Option D. Turn on Performance Insights for the EC2 instances and monitor the metrics through the CloudWatch dashboard. To understand this, consider how network traffic is tracked within an operating system. Network interfaces, specifically those powered by the Elastic Network Adapter on Nitro-based instances, maintain state information about active connections. When this capacity is reached, traffic can be dropped or delayed, resulting in performance issues like timeouts. Troubleshooting this requires deep visibility into the driver itself to monitor these specific connection tracking limits. I believe the correct answer is option A. The Amazon CloudWatch agent includes native support for collecting these specific ENA driver metrics directly through ETH tool. This is the most operationally efficient choice because it utilizes an existing, well-integrated tool without the need for additional software layers or unnecessary dependencies. Regarding the other options, option B is less efficient as it adds the collect daemon, which creates unnecessary infrastructure complexity. Option C is incorrect because VPC flow logs capture network flow metadata, not the low-level host driver statistics needed here. Finally, option D is not viable because Performance Insights is a feature specifically designed for relational databases like RDS, not for EC2 instance driver monitoring. When preparing for these types of questions, always look for the most native and streamlined solution offered by the platform. If a standard monitoring agent can perform the task directly, it will almost always be considered the most efficient path over installing third-party daemons or using tools that are intended for an entirely different service category.